Hello everyone, this is Lance here. This is part 2 of my 1-year post-op video for the FUE hairline transplant procedure I had with Dr. McGrath in Austin, Texas. So I'm using my iPhone 13 here to really close in and show you all what my frontal hairline looks like now that it's been fully reconstructed, and I imagine most, if not all, of the grafts have completely grown out. But there's always a chance that a little bit more can grow in the 13 to 14 month marks, but rarely does that happen. So yeah, going into the frontal hairline, this is the very center of my hairline. I had 1,378 total grafts transplanted into the front here. I had a larger 2-hair graft that was removed right around here the day of the surgery. This is the left side. Going to my right side, I had another larger 2-hair graft that was kind of right at the point here that I also had removed. And I'm just ecstatic, and I'm so happy with how things look. I have a shorter haircut again, and I'm glad that if I do a close crop and comb, the frontal bangs up, the frontal hairline looks good. I know if I wanted to do long hair again, I can grow my hair long again. And I know that when I comb and pull it back, the frontal hairline looks natural. I can't say enough about the work that Steve and Dr. McGrath have done, and their whole staff is just fabulous in helping me accomplish my hair restoration goals and giving me the most natural result I could have hoped for. Again, I didn't think I would do 4 of these, but I'm glad I did them the way that I did, and I'm glad that Dr. McGrath has helped me cross the finish line with these procedures. So once again, I had 1,378 total grafts transplanted into my frontal hairline here. I had 450 single hairs, 310 two-hair grafts, and a combination of 618 3s and 4s. So again, I'm just really ecstatic, and I'm so happy with how things have turned out. And again, thank you to Dr. McGrath, thank you to Steve, and thank you to you all for watching my videos and commenting and reaching out to me, as I really get no greater satisfaction than helping you all out and sharing my story with you all. So with all that said, thanks again for watching. Have a great day or great evening, depending on when you watch this. And as always, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.